Alright guys, so it does look okay so far. I don't want to do anything crazy, but I'm going to put a bunch of the heat sinks on this because these puppies get hot very, very quickly. Unlike the Pi 3s and the Pi 2s and the 0Ws and so on and so forth, and the 0Ws. Those don't get hot so quickly. That's the cool carrying case. Let's see what else we got in the package. I think that's it. In here, I'm guessing there must be a good old 32 gigabyte Raspberry Pi micro SD card. Alright, come on, open up. Open up. You know you want to get out of your package. You're itching to get out of your package.
Likey.